Good morning, everyone. My name is Athru Jagtap, currently pursuing MBA in Dr. T.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies. So, today I am going to talk about a very important concept in business operations, that is inventory and its types. Let's start with the simple question: what is inventory? In simple terms, inventory refers to the goods and materials that a business holds for the purpose of resale, production, or utilization. It is the key component of the supply chain and directly affects to the smooth functioning of a business. Whether it's a retail store, a manufacturing company, or even a service-based firm, managing inventory properly crucial. Too much increase storage cost and risk spoilage of obsolescence. Next part is importance of inventory. Inventory helps business meet customer demands without delay. It ensures that production is not halted due to lack of materials and that finished products are ready when needed. In short, good inventory management means better customer satisfaction, reduces costs, and improve profitability. Next one is types of inventory. Now let's talk about the main types of inventory. These are generally classified into 4 to 5 categories depending on the business model. I will cover the most important ones. First one is raw materials. There are the basic materials used to produce goods. For example, wood used to make furniture or fabric used to make clothing. Companies need to maintain a certain level of raw materials to ensure interrupted production. Second one is work in progress, that is WIP. There are items that are currently into the production process but are not yet finished. For example, a car on an assembly line without any wheels. It's not a raw material and it's not a finished product either. It's work in progress. Third one is finished goods. These are completed products that are ready for sale. For example, packaged shampoo bottles in a warehouse or smartphones waiting to be shipped. They are especially important for business that deal directly with customers. Fourth one is maintenance, repairs, and operations, that is MRO inventory. These are the items that we are directly part of the final product but are essential to keep the operations running smoothly, like lubricants, tools, or cleaning supplies. Fifth one is transit or pipeline inventory. This refers to inventory that is transit between the supplier and the buyer. For example, goods that have been supplied, shipped but not yet received. Now coming to the examples in real life, let's take the example of fast food chain. The raw materials are things like buns and vegetables. The work in progress could be burger that being assembled. The finished goods are ready to serve meals. MRO items would include the kitchen cleaning tools and machines, and the pipeline inventory could be the success being shipped by the supplier. Now coming to the conclusion part. To wrap up, inventory is the backbone of any business. Proper inventory management ensures timely production, happy customers, and lower operational costs. Understanding its types helps business plans better and make them smarter decisions. So these were the types of inventories. Thank you for listening. I hope this helped you understand inventory and its different forms of types bit better. Thank you.